If you are holding Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, this is the biggest week this entire year. This is the biggest week right now. This is the most important moment. Bitcoin is breaking out. Altcoins are breaking out right now. We have Michael Saylor. He just bought $1.6 billion in Bitcoin just recently. This is having a huge effect on the market. We are seeing Tether, they're printing billions of dollars in stablecoins. Circle, they're printing billions of dollars in stablecoins, sending it to Coinbase to buy Bitcoin and cryptos. There is so much going on. We also have, if Bitcoin just goes up $2,000 to $3,000, $1 billion in shorts are going to be liquidated. The market is setting up for the biggest pump this year, the biggest short squeeze we are about to see ever. It's all taking place right now. And in this video, we're going to be talking about it. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. You're going to want to stick around to the end to see what I have in store for you today. Look at this, guys. Over $1 billion in crypto shorts will be liquidated if Bitcoin rises $3,000 from our current price, around $76,000. A short squeeze of this magnitude could trigger a massive cascade, just like they ran the market down and we dumped so hard so fast. That was a long squeeze cascade. It created the craziest long squeeze ever. They're probably going to do the same thing. The same way they ran it down is the same way they are about to run it up, in my opinion. Looking at Bitcoin here, guys, Bitcoin has officially broken out and closed a daily candle above the range high. If we drag it down, we can see that it is far from the range high. So we are officially breaking out right now, but we saw this early. We saw this way before that confirmation even came by the breakout on this angled resistance. So that's happening. Bitcoin just made a new high from this bottom. This looks incredible. You go to the daily time frame, my indicator flipped green, and ever since we've been holding up very strong. This is the 7th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the 8th green daily candle in a row. The last time that this happened, just like this, where Bitcoin was pumping just like this, all these green candles in a row, was at the 16K bottom. And the fractal looks almost 1-to-1. This is literally insane. We click at this fractal, it looks identical, and I think that this is happening right now. On top of this, if we take a look at the order flow, we can see that this is the most bullish thing we could possibly see. Aggregate spot volume is driving this move. We have new leverage positions opening. Aggregate volume, which is leverage. Funding is positive. Coinbase Premium is positive. And if we also open up open interest, it is skyrocketing. Everything is pointing towards a massive pump. This is the most bullish order flow you could possibly see. You pull to the heat map here, you can see we have a little bit of resistance at 75,000. But what I personally think is going to happen here, this is exactly what I personally think is going to happen, is if you zoom out here, if you go to the weekly time frame, which we are reclaiming this April 2025 low, by the way, if you zoom out here, the next key level of liquidity for Bitcoin is approximately $98,000. So I do think that this, from our current level, is only a 30% move. Bitcoin can pump 30% in one candle off the war's ending headline. This is going to most likely get tagged very soon. There's a bunch of CME gaps on the way, 93, 84, 82, but this is a key level of liquidity. If Bitcoin flips this as support, then I think we're gonna probably go to around 111. This is a level that I'm personally aiming at. Around 111,000, this is where I think we're gonna go to, but right now, this first pump could take place in the next 30 days or less, maybe a little bit longer, who knows. But I think we are going to come up here to around $98,000, and we're gonna have to take a look at the rejection here. We could reject here and then enter back in the range and start chopping back around for quite some time, and that could be the case as well. But I do think 111 is gonna get tagged at some point, probably within the next several months. But I think in the immediate short term, we are probably going to see 98,000. A lot of people are calling only for 80,000 or 85,000, 92,000, some of the higher targets. But I think we're going to tag this key level here. And this could, depending on the reaction, this could set up for some really good short positions. And I'm personally looking for shorts here if we reject. Now, our leverage trades are up massively. If you guys want to be trading cryptos, make sure you trade over on Blofin. They're giving away a $1,000 deposit bonus. If you want to copy my trades, join my Whop community. You guys can try today for free. And also try my trading indicator, AlgoSniper. You guys can try this today for free as well. If you got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a like, a thumbs up, share it, retweet it with your friends or family members. Let me know your thoughts about the video in the comments below, and I'll see you later.